Enjoy every moment. Death is unexpected. Nothing is permanent. Accept everything with a smile. Time never comes back. This is a tribute to Jamaican iconic sports journalist in a Donald Oliver. Greetings and welcome to Premier 7, everyone. I am your host, Ryan Nelson, back again with a quick video, but one that shocks the hearts of Jamaican fans. As today is the last we will ever hear about a living being in a Donald Oliver. It's sad seeing that I have to do a tribute to the sports journalist, one for which is and still is one of the greatest commentators in the Jamaican space. I mean, he's one of my favorites, but time waits on no man. When heaven calls, then your time will be over. The thing is, I said it, but I want to bring across the news. Veteran Jamaican sports journalist Donald Oliver has died. This is from the Caribbean National Weekly News Report by Giovanni Davis. Veteran sports journalist and broadcaster Donald Oliver has died, according to reports from the Jamaica Gleaner. Oliver reportedly passed away suddenly this morning after suffering a medical emergency. Widely regarded as one of Jamaica's most respected voices in sports media, Oliver built a distinguished career as a journalist, commentator, television presenter, producer, and writer. Over more than 2 decades, Oliver built an extensive and influential career across Jamaica's major broadcast media houses, spanning radio, television, living as a commentator in the field of sports production. Thing is, Oliver most recently served as senior producer at Sports Max Limited, a role he held from February 2016. Based in Kingston, he worked as a senior editorial voice within the network, contributing as a producer, journalist, presenter, writer, and media consultant, and helping to shape Sportsmax football and cricket coverage across the region. It is a sad news, as many persons who knows or even hear the voice of a Donald Oliver would not be in the best state of mind to even want to hear anything about his death. But time waits on no man. I have something to play at the end of the video. So before I play the video, I just want to end by saying Donald Oliver carried himself with class, consistency, and credibility. He represented The very best of Jamaican sports journalism, informed, composed, and deeply committed to excellence. Today, his passing leaves a silence across football fields, track sidelines, and broadcast booths throughout Jamaica. But his voice will never truly be gone. It lives on in the memories, in the recordings, and in every Jamaican who grew up loving sports while listening to him. Rest in peace, Donald Oliver. Thanks for your service. Thank you for your passion. And thank you for giving Jamaican sport a voice. People, I will end with this.
Ellis, Daly, fabulous, brilliant, superb. What a finish by Nikhil Daly. That's his 15th this season, and he just showed his undiluted class. And Clarendon College, 3 goals, 3 points.
As we said, we expected that second goal to open the game up, and it certainly has. And this is why Olaba didn't want to play this type of game. That was an expression of perfection there. It's champagne football.
Daly, what a turn. Daly, what a finish. Again, brilliance. Absolutely brilliant. Clarendon College's number 16 gets his 16th this season, and they are running away with it, stamping their class in this one. It's 4-0.
I mean, there's great appreciation for defending, but when you have that skill, boy, that is certainly, as we say here at Sportsmax, that's a class moment. And we're at Juicy Park, and Clarendon College is serving up some juicy football here.